Hello, hello everyone. My name's Cathal McConnell, and I play the flute, the whistle, I sing, and I've been around for many years. And anyway, I live in Scotland now. I've been there for many years, and I'll play with a set of tunes which I learned from my old teacher, a man called P. Flanagan, and this is a long time ago. I'll play 3 of his reels, and the first one I've no name for it, and the second one would be a version of Down the Broom, and the third one would be a version, I think, of the Stony Steps, and I'll just play them for you. The first one I'd say is a very rare tune. He sort of played them like this, a slow way.
Well done, Cathal. Jesus, very sweet. Listen, it's an honour having you in the shop. I heard it's the second time you've been here, but the first time in this reincarnation of the shop.
Yes, indeed.
So you're welcome.
Yeah, I'm delighted to be here and to be surrounded by so many musical books and tapes and cassettes. And of course, Clare is a great place for music. There's a lot of great music.
And your brother's ensconced here, is he? Cormac, for a while.
Yeah, Cormac, yeah. Cormac's away in Holland at the present time, so, well, he'll be back in a few days, but I'm going to miss him, unfortunately.
All right, pity. Listen, you're travelling with Gerry O Connor, Fiddle Gerry, and Martin Quinn. You're launching. It's a book. Tell me about this book with CD-ROM in it or DVD in it.
Yeah, it's a book that Gerry organised the thing, and I was singing some songs for his friend, Gilles Levido, as accompanist, and I was singing a few songs. They ended up singing about 29 or 30 songs.
Lovely.
And Gerry hadn't heard most of these songs, and he decided to get the book, get me to put songs down.
And what's the title of the book?
It's I've travelled this country, both early and late. And it has 123 songs in it. Some of them rare, the good, the bad, the ugly, and it says songs, funny songs, songs of emigration, love songs, and historical songs, you know, well, political songs, or songs that are way back in history. And some of my father's songs that he wrote way back, about 50 years ago.
Lovely. And Cathal, you're originally from Fermanagh area, is this?
That's right. A place called Tony Lumman, near Ballinalack, about 5 miles from Enniskillen, County Fermanagh.
Lovely. There was a beautiful volume of book there done some years back, The Hidden Fermanagh it was called. I think
Yes.
were you implicated in that?
I was
some way?
indeed. I was implicated in that. So
I remember seeing the name.
Yeah, so I was. I was involved in that. That was quite a venture.
Lovely. And listen, do you play much with the boys of the Loch anymore or no?
No, we've run down. We've not so much anymore. But through living in Scotland, you know, I play some Scottish music as well. So I'll play a Scottish tune which I done a wee. It's you know the one? Aye. It's called the Athol Highlanders. Very common tune, and I started playing. It's a good tune, but I decided to put a few variations in it.
Lovely.
So I'll just play it over. It's a march.
Cathal, listen, thanks a lot for being here, and it's our pleasure.